Now this is the important step. Now that we have a pixel representation, what we wanted to do it is we wanted to convert that pixel number, okay, into a range of 0 to 1, because uh, it helps us, okay. And I forgot to tell in the previous example, we are printing both training images and training labels, and labels is getting printed somewhere here. So going back to our discussion is where we were printing the like making these values normalized to um, in the range of 0 to 1. So what we will do it is we'll divide all these numbers in the matrix by 255. Okay. So what happens is it helps us in actually doing some of the calculations. It normalizes and it is faster when during the conversions and training, because it standardizes the input values. Okay. So let's take this piece of code and I will add it. There's some more piece of code which I am doing the later steps also. So what happens is in the expand dims, okay, in this API, you are adding basically one more parameter where you're specifying what kind of image it is, okay, and that's what you are doing it. You are adding one more row, and you are representing it. That okay, what kind of this image it is. If it is a grayscale, it is 1. If it is an RGB kind of image, which is a color, then you will be using 3. And that's what we are doing it. As of now, what we are trying to do is just remember that we are trying to bring all this data so that your CNN model uh, can accept it. Okay. And your input actually. And we are trying to normalize the data and trying to bring that data together actually. So let's print out what is happening. So what happened here is it took out all those numbers and it divided it, and it created, and this is what it represents actually. Okay, so these are the division of it. If it is somewhere 255, you would have seen that. Okay, um, you will see the 255, and this is again I'm using the print the train data and train kind of test image actually. Okay, the third